Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So here we continue to see, not very convincing price action to the upside. Ethereum is trying, it made a little try here overnight to push a little bit higher. So far I would say typical Saturday sideways action. At the moment we are holding above our trend reversal area, so it was great for anybody who bought in this area for a possible trade of the completion of the large fifth wave that we have here. Primary expectation at this stage would still be that it makes at least one more high, so either or at least one, maybe two. What I don't know at this stage is if it's gonna get both of these, so high, higher low, another higher high, or just one higher high. All of that, of course, provided it's holding the 1630 level, the low that we registered on Thursday. So until then, until that's broken, we are focusing here on higher. Highlighted to you in the video yesterday, this could become an Elliott Wave triangle, and I still think it could. It doesn't really have the right look. I think that's I looked at it again, it doesn't really have the right look. But on a weekend, on a Saturday, you often see these triangles develop, this sideways action. Because we've got an ABC here. Now that could be an A wave of a triangle, possibly. Then this could be a B wave. We could now be working on a C wave. It's too early, right? It's too early to say that. Therefore, I'm not really promoting that idea too much, but it's just in whatever shape or form it could, even if it's not an Elliott Wave triangle, it could register or create the actual shape of a triangle, okay? So we'll see. Something to keep in mind. Of course, we don't have enough touch points to really focus on that too much. It remains important to focus on the 1630 level as the low. Below 1630, I think we're going to make new lows here and that this advance is over. But until then, we can focus here on higher for Ethereum to reach our targets around 1800 plus. And that would be great because that's what we've been talking about since the beginning of the week, the 1800 plus area. But of course, it's reached here resistance, as you can clearly see. We touched this ceiling here with this latest move on, when was it, on Thursday, where we touched this trend line. I mean, I can probably move it up a little bit. It's a bit unclear where exactly to put that trend line because it's not very well defined. Yeah, you've got a few fake outs here. Yeah, so a few throwovers above the channel, but I'll just leave it like that. Just have it as a broad orientation, and maybe we are going to push against this in one more high. So then we talk about the 1750 area. If we break it, then yeah, surely 1800, 1900 as a possibility. Depending on if the 1630 level holds or not, we possibly have this high already in here. And that one of these, depending on how many more highs we get, is actually sitting here. So that's because I currently count it as an overshooting B wave. So it's possible to move the wave 5 over here. Yeah, and then it would also complete this one. And maybe we don't get another 4 and 5. So that's what we need to look out for. Therefore, focus on this support area and the 1630 level. If we peaked already, what are the possibilities? Well, possibilities are as follows. So, possibility 1. First of all, there are a couple of possibilities. We should really only start to focus on them as soon as the 1630 level drops, because until then, we are focusing here on higher. But if we fail and the 1630 level falls, what are the possibilities? Well, first of all, first possibility is that we actually get an extension of this fifth wave. Yeah, that all of this was a wave 1 of 5. This here will be a wave 2. There will be 3, 4, 5, and we may push way into the $2,000 area. In this case, if we come down and we can see it based on the indicators and the structure, that we might have here a small wave 1, we will get a wave 2, there'll be a 3, 4, and 5. This will be another entry point, which I will give you if you're interested. And I might use that one to set up as well to go long again. Not necessarily high probability, because personally I think if this high fails, we are probably going to retest those lows anyway here from early in the week. Okay, maybe with that wave 2 anyway. And if we hold it, this could be a 1-2 setup. But if we don't hold these lows, we'll go lower. But this is the first possibility. So yeah, there will be another entry point. The only reason, or the main reason why I think this could be an option, this scenario, yeah, so I'll delete that again. But the reason why I think this could be an option is because we are not even in the overbought range on some of these indicators, yeah. On the daily, you can see that we're not even overbought. So for a wave 5 of that degree, I would like to see a little bit of an overbought reading, to be honest, even if we are seeing overall a bearish divergence, but still an overbought reading. So there is enough space from the indicator side to still push higher eventually, okay? That's absolutely possible and likely. Also, we had a bullish crossover here on the daily again. So that the trend is going to go up a little more is likely, but the question is just, do we get this extension? Now we won't know, but this here was a possible trade setup. Anybody who used it, you're already in profit. But if we lose the 1630 level, there will be another one here, depending on if the early of the the Monday lows are going to hold. I would love that. If we do this, yeah, top somewhere here, come down, have another possible entry point, and we're ready. Yes, it will amazing swing trade. I mean, for anybody who followed this, bought here, yeah, taking profits or at least partial profits here, gonna be able to buy here again for a rally into the $2,000 area. Amazing, absolutely, I would love it. So, but the market doesn't really care about what I love. So, but that's one possibility. The other possibility is that we had here just a large A, B, C structure. In that case, this wave 4 here is actually sitting here, and we just had here an A, B, C, and would then still rally. It's a similar scenario, just a different structure. Would love it as well, yeah, no problem. Would be great. And the third possibility, which is obviously going to work out if we drop below Monday low, below the Monday lows, that would indicate this large wave, yeah, this entire 5-wave move that occurred since November has topped, and we're coming down in what I would ideally like to see as a 1-2 setup into the region around maybe $1,200, $1,300. And if this is the case and we get a large wave 2, then, and if this support area is holding, then this would be another long-term entry point, yeah. And if this support is going to hold, then we can say the bear market low was already back here in November, no, actually in June for Ethereum, yeah. Now, I can't promise you the support area is holding, because if it doesn't, we're going to continue with a bear market. But these are the possibilities we have. And I will always guide you with your support areas here. So make sure you subscribe if you want to see that. But for now, I think the trend is still up here in the very short term. And first of all, before we actually lose that 1630 area, we can focus on higher. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.